Welcome to Zenyo Workforce. In this video, I will guide you through creating and managing existing vendors in Zenyo Workforce. A vendor refers to a company that provides temporary staff or contractors to clients, handling their administrative and compliance needs. To manage your vendor document types, navigate to Settings and choose Vendor from the main menu. Then, select Document Type. Here, you'll see a list of document types along with their name, last modified date, and action. To create a new document type, click on Add. Then, enter a document type name for the vendor and click Save. A pop-up confirms that the vendor document type has been successfully added. The newly created document type now appears in the list. You may click on the Edit icon to update the document type name, or the Delete icon to remove the document type. To find a specific document type name, simply use the search bar provided. Now let's dive into adding new vendors quickly. On the home page, select Vendor from the main menu. The vendor page provides a list of your existing vendors. You'll see details like business name, email, contact number, federal ID, active consultant, and the last modified date. To find a vendor, enter their business name, federal ID, or email in the search bar. To add a new vendor, click the plus button. Start with the General Details section. Enter the vendor information, such as name, email, contact number, and federal ID. You can also enter the website and fax if needed. Provide the address, city, country name, state, and zip code. Next, fill in the net terms value, which specifies the due date for invoice generation. For example, set the net terms value to 30 days, meaning the invoice for this vendor will be due within 30 days. Now, set up code generation. For the job code, enter a prefix and an increment value. The prefix will appear at the beginning of every job code, and the increment value will increase by 1 with each new job code created. Do the same for the invoice number and work order. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. The newly created vendor appears in the list. To view or edit the vendor's details, simply click on the name in the list. In the Business Information tab, you'll see all the details you initially entered for the vendor. You can make necessary edits here. Once you're done, just click the Update button to save your changes. Next, move to the Contact tab. To add contact details for this vendor, click the Add button. Select a contact type from the drop-down menu. Enter the contact name, email ID, contact number, designation, gender, address, city, country name, state, and zip code. Click Save. You will see the details listed here. In the Invoice Location tab, enter the details such as name, address, city, country, state, and zip code. Finally, click Save. To add a new document, click on the Add button. Choose the document type from the drop-down. Enter the other details, like document name, effective date, and expiry date. You can attach related documents by clicking Choose File. Click the Save button, and you will see the document listed here along with the name, document type, effective date, expiry date, and action. You can download it using the download icon, view the attached file using the view icon, or remove it using the delete icon. To add more documents, click the Add button. To add a new vendor's ACH, click Add. Enter the name on the bank account exactly as it appears on the vendor's bank statement and the other account details, such as account number, account type, and account title. Now enter the contact information of the vendor. Enter the address and also enter the contact number, fax number, and the bank routing number. Finally, click Save. You can see the ACH details listed here. You can update the details by clicking the Edit icon or delete them using the Delete icon. If you want to move a vendor to inactive status, click the More Options icon and select Move to Inactive. A pop-up message will appear. Click Yes to confirm and your vendor will be moved to the list of inactive vendors. To view them, go to the vendor list page and click on More Options. Here you have two options: active vendors and inactive vendors. Now, choose the Inactive Vendors option to view the vendor you just deactivated. If you want to activate this vendor back, click on the vendor record, click the More Options icon and select Move to Active. The activated vendor will be visible in the list of active vendors. You can also add vendors in bulk using the Import option. Click the Import button. Before uploading your file, it's important to ensure the data is in the correct format for a successful import. To help with this, you can download an import template by clicking the Import Template button. Once you've entered all the required data into the template, save the file on your local device. Click the Select File button to upload a file. Now, click the Upload button to initiate the import process. The application will now process and import your vendors. Once the import is complete, you can view and manage your vendors within the system. You can export the vendors' details in either XLSX or CSV format. Before exporting, you can choose specific fields or export all the fields associated with the vendors. For more filtering options, you can utilize the Advanced Filter feature. Once you've configured the export settings according to your preferences, simply click the Export button to generate the export file in the selected format. That concludes our video on how to manage vendor settings and add new vendors. I hope you found the video informative and helpful in understanding the process. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.